Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know there hasn't been a video in a while, and that's because I'm just getting over the flu, and to be honest, it sucked, so I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things. I have a couple videos planned. I do have a new radio that I have planned to install and some other things, but today I just want to bring you guys a short little video saying how you can extend the range of your BMW KEYFOB I have right here. How to extend the range. It does work for not just the Diamond, but any of the newer BMW style keys. And the reason why your key doesn't work that far is because the antenna's in the back. Your range only works from about 30 meters in the back of the car, 30 meters in the front, and 10 meters on the side. And I'll show you where the sensor is located for that. So the sensor is actually located in the back seat pillar right over here, and it changes every single time you unlock and lock your car with an encrypted key. And that is how the key, it says, okay, this matches up, this is what I locked it with, this is what I unlocked it with. It's actually a pretty cool technology that existed back in 2002. So I'm standing away from my car, and if I just press this button normally, nothing happens. Now I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you me holding it up to my chin, and to show that it works farther, and that is the trick. Holding it against your chin actually increases the range of the actual throw of the frequency. It makes it, like, allows it to bounce off your chin to throw the signal further. So let me show you. So this is me holding it against my chin. And if you hear that, I'll flip you guys around. So this is me holding it against my chin. Works. Now this is me not holding it against my chin. Nothing. Doesn't work, doesn't unlock, doesn't no visual against my chin. Unlocks. You can do it against your chest or your chin, but that is the trick. I have been searching all over the forums to try to find ways of increasing the range of the signal on the KEYFOB, and I couldn't find anything. The only thing I could hear is people say, try holding it against your chin if it's not working from a far distance in the parking lot. And like I said, the best distance is it's the back, and sometimes the front has a longer distance than the sides, but the side does not have a far distance at all. So holding it against your chin or your chest helps to bounce the signal off. So that's really it for this video. I hope you guys found that extremely informative. It's a free, cheap, easy mod, little hack on your BMW to allow to extend the signal on your keys for free. And all you have to do is hold it against your chin or your chest, and it allows you to, I'd say it makes a big difference. The range that I'm able to increase to unlock my car is much bigger. It's not like maybe a couple feet. I'm saying it's a good 10 to 15 feet that it allows you to extend the range of your key, and it just makes unlocking your car so much easier. And like I said, this does work for newer BMWs, not just the E46, but I'm just showing you this on my 2002 BMW E46. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.